Hi guys, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw Mia from Lego Friends. So let's get started. To draw Mia, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So right here I'm going to start and draw a very wide curve. So very wide bottom of a U. So I'm going to go right across about right here and connect it. I'm going to flatten it out towards the bottom. There, so I got my curve in, and from there I'm going to come in this area where I started, right next to the edge, and draw a circle for the eyes. And same thing on this side, towards the edge. And let's bring these eyes to life and make them draw so cute eyes. So inside I'm going to put two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So thank you for all the requests for Lego Friend characters. If you love them, please give me, please check out my Lego Friends playlist. And give me a like if you want. And so same thing on this side. And curved line at the bottom. Drawing and talking at the same time is not very, it's not easy. And the lines at the bottom. Okay, so then now let's come back up here and give her some lashes. I'm just making them very simple. So just two lashes that come out. And it's the same thing on this side, just two curves and a shorter one for the bottom. And then let's come right here in the center and give her a sweet smile right in the center and cap it off. And she does have freckles because she's a redhead, and so you can do that when you're coloring it. So I don't want to use the Sharpie, it's too dark. And from there, let's bring this curve back up to say about to the side where her hair parts. So about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to drag the curve down. And in this area right here, I'm just going to bring down a curve, little wave, and connect back to where I started. So just fill that in. So then from there we can draw her brows. So right on top of this eye, I'm just going to draw a curve, very simple brow. And so same thing on this side. So you're just going to see part of it. From there I'm going to give myself a slight angle line at this point right here because that's where her hair parts. A little short one, and then from there I'm going to draw one curve that comes out this way and another one that goes up. So let's start with this one right here. We're just going to draw a strand that comes down, and about right here we're going to curve it out and bring it back in. And on this side we're just going to bring it all the way across. So nice big curve all the way down to about right here. And then you can come in here for some details, just curve. So this is where her hair parts, and get some detail. And then from there, we're just going to imagine her face. So then there's going to be more right here because her hair is in a ponytail. So the rest of her head's about right here. And we're just going to come up, right there. And just tuck it back in. There. And then right in the center, about right here, we're going to draw a little curve, like a little mound for her ponytail where it ties up. And so then we're going to draw the rest of her hair a little bit later. Let's finish her body first. So in the center right here, I'm going to give her a small little neck. So right there. And let's draw her shoulders and come out, curve it down on both sides. From there, imagine her armpits are about right here. So I'm just going to give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm just going to draw an angle line down. And then let's connect this because she is wearing a tank top. So I'm just going to give a slight curve. And then right here, let's give her a V-neck. So I'm just draw a V for her neckline. And let's see, bring this down a little bit more. But right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it for her shirt. And let's see. So then now to draw her pants. To make it a little bit easier, because she does have her hands and it's kind of in her pocket, let's continue this angle line down for her pants. So just very small angle line on that side and this side. So let's start on this hand first. So about right here where her armpits are, we're going to draw a little curved line, and it's going to come in this area right here. So it's going to bend and just tuck a little thumb inside right there. And so let's do the outside right there, and then start to bend it in. So right here, I'm going to cut it off at an angle right here for the pocket, and her thumbs in there, and then her fingers, and just connect everything there. Okay, hope that wasn't too tough. I made it easy for you to follow. So we're going to bring this straight down again. Let's draw the pockets on this side. So same thing. And so this hand is much simpler. It's just right to her side. So we're just going to bring it down. But right here, we're going to draw her thumb. So we're going to have a little thumb that comes out. And then we're just going to imagine her pants are continuing down. So about right here, we're just going to bring it down. And then right here, just put in her hands. Okay, so now let's come down about right here and just draw a slight angle line. And we're going to continue her pants. And right here to her center, draw 2 angle lines. And let's come down more. Keep bringing it down. And let's see, so about right here, we're just going to kind of poof it out a little bit because she is wearing 3/4 pants. And so let's do the same thing for the outside and just poof it out. About right there on both sides. So poof this part out and connect. Okay, so then now let's give it a little cuff at the bottom of each one. And now let's draw her feet. So this one right here is just straight on, so I'm just going to angle my lines, tapering as I come down, narrowing it, and then we're going to flare it out for her feet and connect it. And so this one right here is kind of at an angle, so I'm going to come right here, and this part right here is going to taper a little bit too, but then it's going to come out and curve and connect. There. Now to give her some flip-flops. So right here, I'm just going to draw a curve in. So this one's going to be shorter and then longer. So her toes are right there. And you can come in very small curves right there for her toes. So this one right here, same thing. It's going to be angled this way. There, so we got her flip-flops in. Now let's finish off her hair. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw the rest of her hair. So about right here. And curve it out. And bring it back in. And now I'm going to draw some details. So if you're comfortable with this part right here, you can even give it some flair. You can bring it in a little bit if you want, so that it's not just stuck on her face. So say about right here, let's curve it out a little bit if you like, so that's kind of in her face, and then we'll go in there and erase that. And so then let's come in here for some details. I'm going to use a thinner Sharpie and draw some details. So right on this corner right here, oh, before I do that, I'm going to come down here and give myself a curve. And then right here, I'm going to draw a curve for the paw print. And so let's see here, I'm going to draw 4 ovals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then the butterfly. So there's going to be 2. I'm going to draw one at this angle. So just a curve like that. Then bring this part in a little bit sharper. And then round it off towards the center and connect it. So let's do another one over here going this way. So 2 curves, sharper, and then a curve towards the center and connect it. So then let's come in here and we're going to draw a straight line down for some details and a button. And she has more butterflies right here. So I'm going to come in this area and draw 2 butterflies. So there, that's pretty much it for Mia from Lego Friends. Hope you guys loved how it turned out and you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.